Recent updates to the Shiba Inu whale alert have revealed disturbing information. They wiped out hundreds of billions. What Donald Trump has done may be the most consequential thing that has ever happened to cryptocurrency. This evening may decide the fate of the Bitcoin market. So right now, everyone is waiting for something to happen. This video is crucial and you must not miss it. Without further ado, let's dive into the meat of the matter. Something unsettling has come to light today. Why, you wonder? Shiba Inu could be in for a rough patch, I fear. We have noticed a substantial decline in its formerly high transaction volume. One chain's data shows that the amount of whale Shiba transactions has fallen below 500 billion in the last 24 hours, and is now just over 365 billion. This drop might cause serious liquidity issues. To make matters worse, the number of large transactions has hit a 7-day low, adding fuel to the fire. Fewer than 15 transactions were recorded, down from 75 the previous week. This drop in large transactions is a red flag. Giant trades are a common indicator of whale activity, which may greatly affect market prices. If these transactions are going down, it means big players are pulling back due to a shift in market sentiment or an absence of faith. Because of the potential decrease in liquidity caused by this change, buying or selling large quantities of Shiba may become more difficult, thereby impacting the price. If this trend continues, the price of Shiba could fall much further, changing market dynamics overall. Another indicator of potential future problems is the falling wedge pattern that Shiba's price activity has generated, as shown on price charts. Breaking over the top trend line is a common indicator of potential volatility and more usually a positive breakout in price. The current situation with Shiba, on the other hand, paints a more complex picture. With key moving averages acting as resistance levels, the price has been seeking to break above them while consolidating. A lot of people believe that in this uncertain market, everyone is just waiting for Bitcoin to happen. In the opinion of many, the market will remain relatively stable until Bitcoin achieves its prior all-time high, which it is rapidly nearing. Therefore, what does this mean for Shiba Inus? If Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, the cryptocurrency market might see a dramatic increase in purchases. Thanks to this uptick, Shiba could be able to reverse its current downward trend and experience positive price movement. However, Shiba's price might continue to under pressure in the event that Bitcoin does not achieve its goal or experiences a significant decline. Many consider the following days to be pivotal. If Bitcoin shows strength and goes beyond its previous high, especially if it can break through its key moving averages, we might see a positive breakout for Shiba Inu. If Bitcoin fails, on the other hand, Shiba's trade might tumble further below the bottom of its falling wedge. Shiba and the market generally will likely be affected by Bitcoin's performance in the near future, so investors should keep a careful eye on it. The fact that yesterday Donald Trump addressed a big Bitcoin conference just added fuel to the fire. This is precisely what we needed, with everything in alignment, an elated ex-user wrote. On the weekly time period, a buy signal for Bitcoin has just appeared, of paramount importance. Being alive is so great right now. This graph shows the impact of the conference on Bitcoin's market value and overall movement. Market sentiment can be influenced by the presence of high profitable individuals and the enthusiasm surrounding such events, leading to price increases and a more positive atmosphere. If this hopeful prediction comes to fruition, Bitcoin's value might eventually rise above its previous all-time high and set new records. If this happened, it would likely affect Shiba Inus and the Bitcoin market as a whole. While there are some promising signs right now, it would be wise to proceed with caution and monitor the market closely over the next several weeks due to the notorious volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Despite this optimistic forecast for Bitcoin, it is essential to bear in mind the strong correlation between Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency's price. Shiba Inu and the entire cryptocurrency market are often influenced by Bitcoin. As we see Bitcoin potentially break its all-time high and generate positive momentum, Shiba Inu may be able to recover from its current slump and begin a bull run when it undergoes significant adjustments. From that point on, they highlighted how the market sentiment and Bitcoin price changed before, during, and after Trump's address. From a negative vantage point, the price hovered at $67,000 at first, but it subsequently surged to $69,000, setting off a panic. The gloomy outlook, however, returned when it began to fall once more. There is a clear correlation between price movements and people's confidence, as shown above. Even though the tail is important, A resurgence of interest and confidence in the Shiba Inu breed might lead to a price increase if Bitcoin gets bullish momentum. Furthermore, the commenter hinted at a stable environment that may protect cryptocurrency in general from unsavory news reports from the present government. Shiba Inu could benefit from riding the wave of positive feeling if Bitcoin performs well. From what we can see, it seems likely that a substantial surge is on the horizon. Shiba Inu has been experiencing a slump as of late, declining by over 3% in the past week and over 4% in the past 2 weeks. But some experts are predicting a possible trend reversal. An ex-chartist has stated that from early April, Shiba has been following a negative trend with lower highs and lows in a falling channel. At 445, he found a zone of opposition, and at around 410, he found a zone of strong support. It all comes down to Shiba's strategy for dealing with the falling support line, which has historically led to price bounces. The possibility of a bullish move is enhanced if this signals that Shiba is at a tipping point where a recovery is feasible. If the Shiba price can overcome the descending resistance line and the 50-day moving average, this analysis suggests that a significant rally toward the 438 goal could be in the works. That would be an incredible increase of 120% over the present market price of Shiba to reach that target. This potential increase is good news for investors since it suggests that, under the right conditions, Shiba Inus may make a strong recovery. Supporting this hopeful view, data from Sentiment shows that the number of Shiba Inu owners has been steadily increasing, hitting a peak in late April. Despite fluctuations in price, the number of holders has remained relatively stable, meaning that Shiba is still well respected and admired by the investing community. This steadiness is encouraging for Shiba's future because it indicates a strong base of long-term investors. Even when prices are falling, the observed volatility in the market follows the established descending channel. There may be a solid foundation for a price recovery in the future now that the number of holdings has stabilized. Is that anything you're considering, though? Please share your opinions by posting a comment below. If you would want to know more, go ahead and click on one of the videos that show up. As a result, the video comes to an end. Please remember to leave a comment in the comment field if you like the video. Your feedback will assist me with the YouTube algorithm. In addition, we kindly request that you share this video with as many individuals as possible. The message has to be communicated about.